Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a folder in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the heart button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the sort per delete button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you want to delete a folder, just click on the red button next to it, and then just click on the delete button. And if you want to delete more, then just repeat them with the different folders. And once you're ready, just click on the done button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, the deleted folders are now not there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.